Encourage Msane tribe people to overcome mediocrity and be intellectually nourished message of encouragement to the Msane tribe. People of the Msane tribe, let us remember who we are and where we come from. Our lineage carries the strength, wisdom, and bravery of our forefathers. We are descendants of people who stood with dignity, courage, and vision. Therefore, we must never allow ourselves to settle for mediocrity when greatness is part of our heritage. Mediocrity weakens the mind and limits the future of a nation. But knowledge, discipline, and intellectual growth build a people who can lead, create, and transform society. Every son and daughter of the Msane tribe must strive to nourish the mind, to read, to learn, to think critically, and to develop skills that will uplift both the individual and the community. Let our homes be places of learning. Let our conversations inspire wisdom. Let our youth be encouraged to pursue education, innovation, and leadership. Intellectual nourishment is not only found in schools and universities, it is also found in our culture, our history, and the teachings of our elders. Remember this truth: a people who feed their minds with knowledge will never starve for greatness. Rise above mediocrity, seek wisdom relentlessly, preserve the dignity of the Msane name, and build a legacy that future generations will be proud to inherit. The Msane tribe is destined not for ordinary living, but for excellence, intellectual strength, and cultural pride.